All right, now notice the problem we have. We have all of these guys that have texted and they've been added to our list with a keyword, but they're in no groups whatsoever. Okay, that's a problem. What we should have done is we should have done something beforehand that would have them automatically join a group. I'm going to show you how to do that. First off, let's go to Keywords and Numbers. Let's click BRM. This is the only keyword we have at the moment. And then I'm going to click under Connect to Groups. I'm going to edit and search for groups. I'm going to click BRM. Now, it will not connect those. Let me go ahead and save this real quick and click Done. Let's go back into Contacts. And notice it did not add these guys to the group. What it did was just for the future. Anytime someone texts BRM in the future, they'll be added to the BRM group. So when we create a new keyword, we need to be sure to go back to Keyword and Numbers after we create it, click on it, and make sure that they're added to the group we want. And you will notice that the BRM are now in the groups BRM. So that's going to be very important to remember to do that, as we have multiple campaigns going at one time. We could end up, not knowing where, which keyword they click. So this is going to be very important to do if we have more than one keyword going out at a time. Now, we have a problem when we clicked on Contacts because we did not check that box before we started the campaign. All right, so we're going to fix that, and it's going to be pretty easy to fix. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go to our inbox, and this is everyone that's texted. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for BRM so that it only shows me those that texted BRM to us. So I'm going to click the search. And of course, it's the exact same number, 1 to 10 of 69. And I think what I'm going to want to do is come up to the top. I think it's here. It's actually not there. I wanted to add, let's do rows per page. Let's try that. And let's do 100 rows per page. And that got everybody. Okay, so notice 1 to 69 of 69. All of these are BRM. And what I'm going to do is I want to check all of these, and I could do it the hard way by clicking one at a time, but I'm just going to click the box at the very top left, and when I do that, everything is checked. And now I've got to move them to the BRM group. All right, so to do that, I'm going to click the down arrow by contact, move to group, and I'm going to choose BRM. And once I do that, what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to go back to my contacts and see if I have any left that did not do it. And notice this also says what they texted, the number they texted to. They texted BRM 797979, and of course it gives you the date. Let's go to contacts. Let's make sure that worked. Look at that. Everybody so far, and I'll do rows per page. I'll do 200 rows per page. And notice everybody is now in the BRM group. Okay. Now notice some of these have first name, last name, all that as well. But they came from an upload, not from a keyword. When they do the keyword, it doesn't give their name. It just gives their number and the keyword. All right. So the keywords and numbers, we click on it. We can add a new keyword if we so desire. Or it's actually over here, add a keyword. Remember, after adding the keyword, to click on it, connect to groups, you'll edit, and then select the group so that every time someone texts BRM, in this case, to 7979, they're going to be added to the BRM group.